Okay, yes, it's recording.
Alright. I have to go up another step. It's running down my arm.
It's a bit bright. How do I make it...
We can put a leaf on it. And when we go, under the
You're filming, yeah?
Yes.
oh no, they're flying. There you go.
I'll get you from the back as well.
Yeah. First time it's been, I'm going to speak now, first time it's been washed
Yes.
since the 10th of November last year.
Wow.
It's Laurie's birthday! Laurie's birthday! And then, 2 minutes ago, before her birthday, it's my birthday!
Little girl.
Mine, what's out? Mine, what out?
Yes.
They really struggle when we put the water around them. They let go. And does it show the date?
Yes.
So I've done down to its belt.
So the first one is a zoom, is it? You press it, do you?
That thing on the top is zoom.
Press it?
No, you turn it right or left. So you turn it left to zoom in. I mean right to zoom in, you understand?
Yeah. I've got it, go on. You just do it section by section. Then how we wash under the feet is to throw water each side under the feet and it will wash out all that dirt.
Deep cobwebbing device.
Yeah.
Doesn't look very efficient, but it's doing the job.
It is good. It does do, I think it's very efficient.
This was a scrap bit of wood I salvaged from somewhere. Can't remember where.
Okay.
Jake,
I know.
just getting the worst stuff.
Yeah.
Nobody's pushing our steps, are they, little boy?
No.
I'll get the stuff. Yeah. That's it. Just do the other side. Do that after. Go and do the main leaves the other side.
Okay. Oh, you can get me taking these off?
No, do that first.
Okay.
Camera, panning.
too fast. That's fine.
Right. Just put it down gently. Mum, the face. Pick up the face.
Sorry.
Use both hands so you can stable it. No. Go up, there's quite a few up the top here. Look. No, in the corner. To the left.
Hello. Hi.
Ask you a question.
Yeah, close to it, son.
What World War was this tank in? Is this
Great War.
The Great War.
1914-18.
Oh, but this is a replica.
It's a replica.
But it's based on a World War One tank. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It was in films at Pine Bush Studios, but they bought it as a shell to put it on an original plinth that was here from the Great War.
Oh,
Because tanks were given to 265 towns for raising money in the Great War for the soldiers. These like presents after the war. The original tank was sold for scrap in World War II. All of them were.
all of them.
Yeah, there's only one left in Ashford, an original one. This is the only one on an original plinth in the country.
Blimey.
It tells you some information on the information board, but that's not quite right. I did tell them 265, but they put 259. If they're going to do something, do it right.
That's right. Yeah.
So myself and my grandson, we just try and look after things so that they don't, we just wash a Tommy, they don't clean anything. They just, and they won't let us go in and do it properly. So we made our own device so we can get most of it off, you know.
Yeah.
It's pure excuse the French, pure bloody mindedness on their part.
Yeah.
You would think, I'm an expert veterinary serviceman, you